YouTube, what's going on? This is Kevin the Tech Ninja, and this is a very special unboxing. And today we're taking a look at the G-Shock G-Steel connected watch. Now this isn't like a smart watch, but it's a real watch with a connected aspect. Let's take a look inside the box. All right, we have our G-Shock logo right here. So inside here we have a tin, definitely made out of metal. Has the shock resistant, has some other things around the top of it since 1983. 1983, I would have been -4 years old actually. So here we go, we got the lid off. We got some documentation here. This is going to be our international warranty card. We have our booklets and everything like that. Here we have, all wrapped up so pretty like, is the actual watch. Let's get this out of the way. Let's take a look at the watch. So first impressions, this thing has a lot of heft to it. It is pretty heavy. And now I'm a person that likes to wear watches. If you watch all of my videos, I will have a smart watch on or I'll have a real watch on. And I do like watches with a little bit of weight behind it. That's kind of what I like. It feels substantial. But this definitely has some weight behind it. Not for the skinny wrist people out there. These are for people that want some girth on their wrist. Ooh, here we go. Okay. Got some more plastics on here around the band. Oh, this is nice. Have the steel band. This is a legit band, folks. This isn't like one of those little cheap flimsy ones. So here it is in all its glory. This is the G-Shock G-Steel watch connected. Let's go around the top and let's talk about what we have. So over here we have the modes. So there's different modes this watch actually can do. There's like a timer mode, an alarm mode, things like that. At the very top at 12, it just says G-Shock up there. Also have a light button right here, which lets you turn on this little light so you can sort of see the time. It illuminates everything, especially in dark. So down here we have some additional buttons like find, and then we have connect button, which will allow us to connect it to our phone. Got the find button, which spins this little thing around and does some other activities to our phone. So as you can see, this is a real watch. We have these really big lugs around it. I mean, it's a very dominant looking watch, very strong looking watch. So the clasp is bolted down with these 2 screws. So if you ever wanted to change that out, it is definitely doable. But overall, this watch just feels nice, looks nice. It just has this really nice rugged feel to it. Very nice. So there's a couple highlights about this watch that I want to talk about, is that it has a double layer bezel. And what that is that this bezel, it's actually going to be 2 layers tied into this bezel. I'm pretty rough with watches. I bang them against walls and I do a lot of things with them. I don't like to take them off when I do things. This right here will protect that finish, protect the labeling and all that stuff for people like me who like to bang their watch around. So it is definitely a rugged and heavy duty watch. Has a hybrid resin and also steel construction around here. Look at it, this thing looks to be well made and nice feel, nice heft to it, and that's the construction that it's using. There's no plastic to be found in this thing at all. Even the clasp is a nice metal clasp, and a lot of times you see these really nice watches with very cheap clasps. This clasp is legit, feels nice, and it feels solid. And also it does have this metallic finish too, so everything has this metallic shine to it. So it doesn't have that dull steel, it has that metallic gloss to it. It reflects light pretty well, as you can see as I sort of spin this around a little bit, and just overall it just feels really nice. So a really nice feature is that it has solar power energy. So when you're out walking around, you're out wearing this watch, it's going to be grabbing rays from the sun and basically recharging the battery, so you're not going to be losing battery, you're not going to have a dead battery while wearing this watch. So it's designed to sustain itself. Even if you're walking around with the watch and using the watch, it's designed to pretty much stay charged up as you use it. Now back to its ruggedness, it is shock resistant, meaning if you happen to drop the watch, the internals are not going to break. And also it is up to 200 meters deep water resistant. So you can go deep sea diving with this thing. You can get your Jacques Cousteau on and you can go deep sea diving with it up to 200 meters and you'll be good to go with this watch too. Overall, I can't get over the styling of this watch. It has the lugs all around the face. It has these big buttons over here on the side. Everything is clear, easily read, and it's just a very dominant looking watch. And dominant looking watch is really, really nice, really good. I mean, this is a watch that demands attention without being too hoity-toity. Not a big fancy watch, but it's a man's watch, you know? It's very big face, very strong appearance, and has these nice gold accents, nice silver and gold, kind of a classy feel to it. The watch does have connected features, so it syncs with Android and iOS. The syncing is for time, timers, and also alarms. Now when you travel and the time zone changes, your watch will automatically adjust to that time zone too, and you can set up the alarms and timers right from your app, or you can do it the old school way just on the watch. It's definitely a nice luxury feature added, but it still gives the watch that classic look and functionality. The MSRP is $400, and if you're interested, you can hit my link down below to check it out. Anyways guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and also subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.